In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make website type as personal on LinkedIn. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type LinkedIn and press enter. Click the official LinkedIn result to open the site. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your profile settings. Once LinkedIn loads, look to the top navigation bar and select the Me icon, which shows your profile photo. From the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public profile area where your headline, photo, and About section appear. On this page, find the Contact Info link, usually located near your headline. Click it to open a window that lists your websites, email, and other contact details. In the top right corner of that window, click the pencil icon to edit these fields. In the Edit view, scroll to the Website section. Here you'll see any existing website entries and the option to add a new one. Each website has two parts, the URL itself and a website type. The type helps LinkedIn label and understand the kind of link you're sharing. To set it correctly, open the website type dropdown and choose Personal. Use this option for links that represent you as an individual, things like your personal homepage, a link hub, or a portfolio that is about you rather than a company brand. Choosing the right type can improve clarity for viewers and ensures your profile reflects your intent. Before saving, double-check the URL. Make sure it's accurate, starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and doesn't include extra spaces. If you're updating an existing link, confirm you're changing the correct entry. When you're satisfied, click Save. LinkedIn will close the editor and return you to the Contact Info view. Take a moment to verify the website is listed and that the type is set to personal. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen the editor and adjust it. For the smoothest experience, I recommend doing this on a desktop browser, where all options are visible without extra menus. On mobile, the path is similar inside your profile's contact section, and the same personal type applies. Paste the full URL, including www if your site needs it. That's all there is to it. By setting your website type to personal, you present your link in the most relevant context and make it easier for recruiters, clients, and collaborators to understand what they'll find. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to repeat the process anytime you refresh your links.